I sense you should.
Okay, what are we doing here?
This is the cinnamon challenge.
So what's the challenge about?
Okay, Dad, we already know.
A tablespoon of cinnamon.
Oh.
You have to try to. Isn't that a tablespoon?
Yeah.
I have to try to swallow it. I'm so scared. You do it first.
Oh, goodness. Oh, babies.
That's all right. Hurry up, you gotta do it. Just do it.
You know what that's going to do to your teeth?
You gotta swallow it.
Swallow.
Swallow it.
Swallow.
Swallow it.
Oh, I think it's good for
Hey, you gotta do it.
I like how it shoots out. Oh, I smell it.
Puff the magic dragon.
Look at the smoke. You almost broke Grandma's giraffe.
Ooh, that would piss me off.
I think we should have Eleanor do it.
No, don't you do that to my baby.
That's not even funny.
You want me to smack you now or later?
Get a son to slap her in the face. Oh, crap. My friend now is going to the bathroom.
At least I leaned over the sink.
Mom, it's your turn.
Brian, utensils.
Hey, Mom, cinnamon challenge.
Brian. Now.